All right, the world's gone crazy, so we decided to do a helpful video for you. We couldn't teach you how to make toilet paper, so you're on your own on that one. But we can teach you how to make your own hand sanitizer at home because everybody's sold out. I have a bunch of travel ones. I've got them in the cupboard. I keep backups of backups. So I'm not out of anything. I don't need to run to the store. Just a tip for you, stop showing empty shelves on the internet, please. All right. So here I'm going to show you a basic formula for making hand sanitizer if you were unable to buy any at the store. All right. So come on in close and I'll show you. Okay, so the formula is this. It's some rubbing alcohol, it's some aloe vera, and you have the option of putting in some essential oils, some drops, okay? I'm going to do that today. We have lavender right here. Now, this recipe asks for a 2/3 cup of aloe vera. Now, I know how aloe vera is. I know what's going to happen. I'm going to put it in here. I'm not going to get it in. I'm going to put it in here to measure it, and then I'm going to try to pour it in here, and it ain't going to go. I've already thought it out, okay? So I'm thinking ahead. So what I've got to do is go straight from here, because it's got a little spout, and just squeeze in about 2/3 cup. Now I'm trying to find what's 2/3 cup in here. What's it look like? There's no marks on this bottle. This is just a generic dollar store bottle. Okay, so what you do is fill your cup up with 2/3 water. So you take the water, you pour it in. About halfway, right? There you go, the halfway mark on that bottle. So now, so we don't waste this, because I know you keyboard ninjas are like, oh, you're wasting water. You take this and pour it in your coffee maker, because it has a water reservoir. We always pour extra water into our coffee maker. We always do. So I'm going to do that right now. So the halfway mark, so we're going to squeeze out roughly. See, this stuff is so thick. You gotta be careful. So you want to squeeze, see? Just keep squeezing till you get to the halfway mark. As you can see, we have half a container of our aloe vera. You take the rubbing alcohol, and that's only a 1/3 cup, so you can use it. It's just like water, so you can go to a 1/3 cup, close it up, pour it. Oh, well, you know what? Before I pour it in, I'm still thinking ahead. I'm going to put my drops of essential oil into my rubbing alcohol and then pour it together. Just makes it easier getting it into the container. So I'm going to put just a little bit. That's it. Quick little bit, okay?
7 to 10 drops.
All right, you figure that's about 7 to 10 drops. That's what the recipe asks for, okay? Then we're going to take it and pour it into here. Tighten it up. Okay, we're going to cover the tip. Try this on the back of my hand, or on my side of my hand. Ready? Kind of jelly-like. Gonna use that whole amount of my hand. Smells good. It's got lavender in it. Smells beautiful, and it's sanitizing my hands right now. 20 seconds of rubbing. I'm not gonna stand here for 20 seconds, but that's basically it. And that is how you make homemade sanitizer.